Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through today the all-new Nautique G21. So this is a new model that Nautique came out with, total redesign of the G21, the 21-foot surf and wakeboard boat. So we can see it has a nice haze gray on the hull side. We've got the gold accent up there with the badging. And then in the back here, they just did a simple white. So I got the haze gray and the white. We come back to the back of the boat. Got a nice swim platform back here with the ladder. You've got some cup holders here. We got a nice grab handle. Underneath here, you got the NSS or Nautique Surf System integrated. You've got the Nautique Surf Pipe, NCRS, all the stuff you need to do surfing, wakeboarding, anything you want. So let's go to the interior and take a look at the rest of the options. All right, so in the back again, I just wanted to point out the nice seats they got back in here. This is a nice new true weave texture that they have on the interior as an option. So you got two seats here, you got cup holders all over. And then in the 21, we do have a nice cooler. So integrated cooler, put some ice in there, you're all set to go. Then we got the nice walkthrough with the sea decking. Real easy to get in and out. You can open up both of these and you've got massive storage underneath. This is a subfloor ballast system, so this becomes a great place to put storage and all your different options there. So we come in, we've got seating all the way around here. You've got seating on this side over here, and then you've got seating, this pops up, and then we got this seat right in the middle, that pops up as well. We got the 8.8-inch JL drivers up on the tower. We got the bimini, and then the strapless board racks, which is a really nice option to add to this boat. As we come to interior, we've got this seat here, storage right underneath the seat. Again, sea deck all the way through on the flooring, underneath all the storage areas. And then the Helm seat, this is a race car inspired Helm seat. Really hugs your back. You've got a nice little place here to put your leg, be able to drive like this and see everybody here and see people that you're pulling surfing or whatever it is you're pulling. You've got the 12.4-inch link pen array system. You can set up your surfer, wakeboarder, anything you want, along with the toggle on this side next to the throttle. So easy to make adjustments while you drive. As we come to the bow, we've got nice area right in here. You've got pop-up armrests, so if people just want to hang out in the bow, it's nice and deep. You also have cup holders in here as well. So the G21, this has been completely redesigned for 2022. This particular boat is sitting here at our Rogers showroom, so if you want to come down, take a look, you can give us a call, set up an appointment. We'd love to show you this boat and any other boat that we have in our Nautique lineup. Hope to see you here soon.